Good morning, my name is Alba and today I'm going to introduce my bachelor thesis, which is called a proof of concept of a novel microwave-based medical device for improving in vitro fertilization success. So let's go into the need. As you can see on the left graph, a woman's peak reproductive years are between the late teens and the late 20s. So by age 30, fertility, which is the ability to get pregnant, starts to decline. This decline becomes even more rapid once you reach the mid-30s. And by the age of 45, it is almost biologically impossible to become pregnant. So, what is the most effective treatment to face these problems? In vitro fertilization, also known as AVF. But what do we have to say in here? It also depends on age. As you can see, for example, on the right graph, a woman less than 35 years old have a 55% chances of getting pregnant in the first cycle of IVF. But what happens? That the euploid embryo does not guarantee success in vitro fertilization cycles. The euploid embryo must interact with a receptive endometrium to achieve pregnancy. With these 4 words, I'm going to try to explain to you the basis of this bachelor thesis. So, microwaves are able to monitor the dielectric properties of tissues that are biomarkers of the vascularization state. So, in this case, the vascularization state of the endometrium changes depending on its receptivity. So, after that being said, a novel intravaginal medical device based on the microwaves is proposed to obtain the dielectric properties of the endometrium. So, this device may provide essential information to the gynecologist to determine the exact phase when the endometrium is synchronized to receive a blastocyst, and therefore improve the success rate of in vitro fertilization process. So, what are the main steps of this bachelor thesis? In this case, the first one, state-of-the-art bibliography review, which is what I'm doing right now. Afterwards, the interviews with the gynecologist in order to check the clinical need and see their opinions. Afterwards, the in-paper design of the device, going with the proof of concept validation experiments design and the initial results, and finally performing a market study. After that being said, I just want to mention that I'm in first stages of this bachelor thesis, so it will for sure keep progressing and updating it for the next few months. And that's everything for today. Thank you for your attention, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask.